are going to have some fun just because it's Halloween and I don't think we're gonna do trick-or-treating outside. So we decided that we are just going to have fun at home and we are going to make some
Cupcakes.
cupcakes with what?
Frosting.
Frosting. So we are going to make some cupcakes. Actually, the girls are going to make the cupcakes. They are really good with this. They love baking, so this is a fun activity for them to do.
You have to put all of it in.
Yeah.
Like the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Like everything that's in there.
Yeah. To put it in the cupcake liner. So I'm just going to put this in the sink. To wait for the oven to warm up to the correct temperature and then we are going to put it in the oven.
What's going on? We'll do the Beanboozled Challenge.
Perfect. We got, it's the Jelly Belly Beanboozled jelly beans, okay?
They're disgusting.
So first is you take this out.
No, that doesn't work like that.
What is that? Oh, I see. Okay, I'll open it. And what is this for? Oh!
Ew. Did this one.
And I'll try this one.
Mom, this one can either be stink bug or toasted marshmallow.
Okay, so let's see.
This one can be either chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Okay. So
Okay.
Okay.
Have the...
So this could be, you said canned dog food?
No, this one can be either canned dog food or chocolate pudding.
Okay.
That one can be either toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
Okay, so you go first. So what's the taste? Describe it.
I got chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding. Okay. So okay, so far one. Okay, my turn, and this could be a what is this? Dead fish?
It could either be stink bug or toasted marshmallow.
Okay. Disgusting!
You got stink bug!
Whoa. It's like the smell of a dead skunk.
It's stink bug, of course.
My goodness. It's awful. Let's put that in the trash. Ah!
Okay, 1-0.
And now what is this?
That one can either be Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. Hi, Dad.
Whoa, look at you guys.
It's Daddy's turn to do.
No.
What?
You're not even part of it.
I'm dying
Wanna
here.
join us?
I just had like skunk in the jelly bean.
And I got chocolate pudding.
Oh, you guys are eating those jelly beans?
Ugh, disgusting.
Either dirty dishwasher or birthday cake.
Okay,
Dirty dishwasher.
maybe I'll take it just because I think it's going to be my lucky day.
And if it isn't,
It's not my lucky day.
what did it taste like?
It tastes like soap.
Ew.
Ew. It tastes like sweet soap.
Sweet soap.
The first one was disgusting though.
Now Abby has to try.
Okay, your turn.
This one could either be rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Okay, I think you should
I
go
will
for
go.
it.
I already know what spoiled milk tastes like, so I'll go with it. It's kind of sour.
I'm laughing.
Mom, it's your turn.
Oh my goodness.
I got coconut,
Yeah.
but I didn't like it.
Oh, okay. That means that's bad, right? Or no, this could still be good. Or...
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, so I love coconut. That should have been mine. Okay. So this could be what?
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg?
I don't know. Okay, I'm ready.
Just take a small bite of it.
It's good. It's
But
good.
popcorn!
It's good. Yummy. It's yummy. I like it. Butter popcorn is the best. It's your turn.
Another one.
I think you should try it, darling.
I don't want to do this anymore.
So what is this could be?
Okay, let's see that. It could either be rotten egg or butter.
I think it could be booger or juicy pear. Okay, go ahead.
No, that's buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
I got
Okay.
buttered popcorn.
So you got 2-1, right?
2-1.
2-1. Okay, so now let's lift this up like this and then push it down. Oh, okay. Now, so this could be
It could be
what? Dead fish?
dead fish or strawberry
fish.
banana.
Dead fish or banana smoothie. Okay, so is it my turn to taste it?
Yes, it is. Why are we doing this? This is disgusting.
Oh no, I don't want to put it in my mouth.
You know what? We're not doing this anymore.
Because the smell.
Smells like dead fish.
It smells like dead fish. Well, the first one was awful, and that was
Stink
bug, and it tasted like
A stink bug?
skunk. Actually, the smell of it smells like dead skunk. No, I'm not putting this in my mouth. I think that's it, you guys. We are not finishing this challenge just because it's terrible. It's awful, and I don't think I'm gonna finish it. So if I get the dead fish, and that was dead fish, and no, I'm not eating dead fish.
Well,
Stinky
Let me
socks.
ask
Daddy
you.
should get the stinky socks. But
you eat dead fish anyway.
yeah, but this one they probably meant rotten fish.
Smelling rotten dead
Yes.
fish.
Okay. So let's do one more time. I want Daddy to get the booger.
Daddy's not getting any of it.
Okay, you guys, we didn't finish the challenge. Abby's dying right now.
Why would Daddy?
She got coconut, and that's not even the what is that?
Bad.
That wasn't even a bad flavor.
Oh.
So I got stink bug, and I also got dead fish, and I got rotten egg and dirty dishwater. That's disgusting. Oh my goodness. I think it's time for lunch.
No, it's time for cupcakes.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so that's the challenge, and we did not finish the challenge. We chickened out.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. Boo! Okay,
Yeah.
Daddy should try it. Daddy,
Come on,
Daddy,
Daddy.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Come on, Dad, do it.
Do
Back out
it,
the
do
garage.
it. This is going straight in the trash can. They changed your outfits just because they said the fabrics are itchy.
Yeah, we have 4 different colors here to make different colored frosting with this frosting. And to top it all off, we have these candy decor.
Yeah.
Although there's only 12 of them.
So they finished decorating the cupcakes. Look, it's so nice and vibrant. It just makes me so happy. It's just, I love the color combination. So now we have these leftover frosting. We decided we are going to make a
mystery flavor.
A mystery color frosting. There you go. So that is the mystery color.
It's green.
It's like a blackish green.
And I want to eat one of my cupcakes.
This more like look like baby poo. That's basically what their poo look like. Yes, we are done for the day. We are having some serious sugar rush right now. So that's it, you guys, and thank you so much for joining us today. My kids and I had so much fun today making some cupcakes and
the Beanboozled,
yeah,
which goes in the trash.
Yeah, that was hilarious. So the Beanboozled Challenge was interesting. So thanks so much again for watching, and if you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!